In today's video, I will compare that Create Studio with the Toonly. So I've already opened the both products on my system, as you can see. First of all, I will talk about the features and then pricing. So first we talk about the Toonly features. As you can see, all the important feature in the Toonly you will get in the left hand side, where there are some pre-made scenes that you can use for your videos. You just need to drag and drop them here. And then you have a backgrounds. You can also search for the background and upload your own one as well. Then you have characters, then you have objects. Of course you can upload your own objects. Basically you can upload your own photos. Then you have some 4 or 5 text templates, and then you have here audio tab, and it works in a very different way. First of all, you have a scenes, and a scene work in the layers. Then you can create your second scene like this. You can create unlimited amount of scenes. Here you can add the new scene, and between two scenes you can select a pre-made transition, and this is your preview. If you click on that, here you will see full screen preview. The thing that I dislike in the Toonly is everything. I mean, in the objects, that if you click on the upload, let me show you. If I have a photo, okay, I have that small photo. So as you can see, it is uploading on their server. So that I hate it. I mean, seriously, I mean, although it is a software, but all the things that will upload on their server, that how thing works. So it is something like cloud service. I don't know how much time it is going to take upload a simple photo. So make sure you have a strong internet connection, especially if you are going to upload some big files. And you cannot import your own videos. You can simply create some 2D videos. So these are the characters. If you want to play some kind of actions, just click on that setting icon, and then you have some pre-made action that you can select. As you can see, if I click on the clapping, I click on save, it's processing, because it works on the through internet. So make sure you have a strong internet connection. So I've already added that thing. I mean, it's moving. I've added previously. So you see, that's clapping thing. So that only feature. There nothing special that I want to talk about in this video. Now we come to the Create Studio. The thing that in the Toonly everything upload on their server, it's nothing like in the Create Studio. I have actually imported this my media video, and if I import same image here, so it's not uploaded on their server, it's immediately added here. So and you can also import your video in the Create Studio that you cannot import in the Toonly. If I go to Studio, there are a lot of things. In that only you can create only 2D animation videos, but in the Create Studio you can add some 3D characters, okay, and you can also create a device mockup videos. There are only 4 templates right now, and there are some custom animation, and you can also edit your videos. It's not a complete video editor, but you can trim your video and add some text here and there. That are small thing that you can do. You can also join multiple clips using Create Studio. If I go to characters, all the characters are divided into multiple categories. As you can see, I will go to the Supreme, and using that icon you can download that specific character. So I will already downloaded it. I will drag and drop it here, and this is your timeline. That's not like some scenes, then you have a timeline. It's fully based on a timeline like any video editor, and again its action also keep changing depending upon your active character. Although it's no doubt that these characters does not contain a lot of actions similar to Toonly, but still I think it's better. I don't know why. Maybe I don't know why I like Create Studio. So the other thing with that only, as you have multiple options. You have a lot of backgrounds. Again, background divided into multiple categories. Emojis, there are some 3D emojis as well. Some, again, everything is divided into category in the Create Studio. There are some icons as well. some 3D icons and 2D icons. Now we talk about the pricing. So Toonly will cost you one-time fees $67, and then they have a upsell of enterprise plan. This is basically your standard plan, and I recommend you to upgrade to enterprise plan. And so real cost will be 164 if you really want to create a good videos. And if we talk about Create Studio pricing, that's pricing is first of all they have a two pricing 100 it's 199, then 247 it's for 197. My mistake here. Okay, but it's close similar, you get it my point what I'm trying to say. And of course there are some upsells as well after that plan. Basically these are the upsells. Then they have a all access pass here where you will get multiple characters, background scene and some other things, and you will keep getting new characters every month. So if you want a lot of new things, then you can upgrade to all access pass. Then they have a pro media upgrade where you will get access to Pixabay library and some other music and sound effects files. The agency plan is basically for if you want 6 more license, then you can go with the agency plan. So now come to the conclusion, which is the better. If you really want to create a short videos like 2 minutes video, then Toonly is good. But if you create longer videos longer than 5 minutes, then Toonly is going to suck. I can guarantee that. So I can show you a video on your screen. So as you can see, I have added nothing here, and I don't know why it's still here. I have removed a couple of things and it's not working. Basically it is hanged, or that's why I don't recommend Toonly for creating longer videos length longer than 5 minutes. It's not a good tool, but for a 1 minute video simple, you may try Toonly. As you can see, Toonly is not responding. That's the thing that happen often with me when I try to create longer videos. And Create Studio where is the okay, let me open here from here. Create Studio is an amazing choice if you really want to create some advanced professional videos without learning that low illustration thing. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and consider liking this video and subscribing my YouTube channel.